microphone. So let's go this guy. So Rally is a test management tool. Um, let's not do it. And let's see. So let's log into here, the user stories. And we use this project. Click on this project and then go to this project. And these are these test cases. We use these test cases. And you can write your test cases here. Then you can, once you written the test cases, go back, execute your test cases. Once you execute here, this icon shows up. And then if you have any defects, go ahead and log into the defects. And these are the defects that are shown up. And you can see here various modules, details, what are the tasks related to this, and children, the sub-children of this, of the user stories, and what are the charts, how many test runs, and it shows the on scenario here.